तो कैसा कैमरा ये oh god
অলপ সিম্পল হ'ব আৰু
হৈছে উপায় ৰবা হাফ পেণ্টৰ ফটোশ্বুট
কৰি গোটেই মই
হ্যাপি বার্থডে
My Wednesday started slow. I was invited to my Mahi's place for lunch. I just moved around, looked at trees, ate good food, and surrounded myself with familiar faces. The next day, I had some studying to do. I'm studying for a presentation tomorrow and we're supposed to study Gramsci. So I'm studying one of his chapters from Prison Notebooks, which is called Americanism and Fordism. So far, I have only gone through like 20 pages of it. And I think, he writes in a way that can be understood by general people. It's not a very complicated language that he uses, which is a good thing because if you are theorizing something or giving an opinion on something, and Gramsci is a big name, so if you're writing for the people, you're supposed to use a language or the kind of language that reaches the masses, and I feel like he's doing that, which is great because I hate reading a very complicated language because it takes a lot of time firstly to decipher what he is saying and then actually take the essence of it. After this, I'm going to take a bath, wash my hair, and then I'm gonna make lunch today and take you guys along. Well, taking a shower was postponed because it rained today, like properly, and I could not resist.
it's raining and this is my new pink raincoat. I have to wear it. I have to try this out. I feel like a pink ranger, from SPD. The emergency. Oh my god, fun. Fit of the day, I guess. Now I'm gonna roam around in the rain. Let's go. You're keeping a watch on the staircase. Let me know if someone comes.
I think I was up there for a while. I was having so much fun, honestly, just walking around in circles and jumping around. But I won't deny I was also kind of paranoid that koi aa jayega upar and they would be like, what the hell is she doing? And I would have to pretend that I was doing something really serious. I gave the sky one last look and just squelched my way back to the house. Shower done, hair washed. I was ready to make some yummy lunch. I had decided on making a paneer rice bowl. I was pretty late already in starting, but my parents were being patient with me. Listen to this. course I add garlic. दुनिया का बेस्ट चीज़ है ये. फिर we add cooked rice in this. इसके ऊपर थोड़ा चिली पाउडर एंड थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट. This recipe belongs to Vinesh Shukla, by the way, and the plate never looks as good as it does in her recipes. I still had to prepare a presentation for my class, so that's what I did for the rest of the day and went to sleep. This day was a lot. I was out almost the entire day, and the first part of the day I spent at the museum, the Assam State Museum, doing something with the clay. And this is the first time I was actually touching clay, and it felt so nice because I've always wanted to learn pottery, so it was really therapeutic. Then we headed to the Directorate of Historical and Antiquarian Studies to look at some old newspapers for my research assistant job. Something about old books and papers, the smell, the feel of it, it just makes me feel so good. I think one of my favorite things to do is to look outside the window. Then I did some touch up because I was going for class for a presentation in front of 2 people. But you gotta look good even for 2 people, 2 women especially. Hak kham ami. Cotton or hak kham. Presentation बढ़िया गया. We were done. I was clicking her picture. She looked so cute that day. And फिर मेरी cousin Blanchi आई. I hope you remember her from Arunachal. Previous to देखा.
এইটো বেছি ভাল লাগিছে
Yeah. বহুত ধুনীয়া লাগিছে এনেকে.
অলপ সিম্পল হ'ব আৰু এটা
বিৰিনাৰ বিয়া.
চাওঁ ভাল লাগিছে ৱাও ক'ত লগাবা
মায়ে কৈছে বেডশ্বীটৰ নিচিনা লাগিব. তাতে গলত.
এইকেইটা গুচাই দিবা এইকেইটা গুচাই দিবা
रेडी फॉर ऑफिस. फैंसी बाज़ार हॉल में दिखाया था मैंने. आई बॉट दिस शर्ट फ्रॉम देयर. दीज बैंगल्स, वुडन बैंगल्स, सो क्यूट राइट. ये मुझे मेरे दोस्त ने गिफ्ट किया है. कल ही किया था, आज मैंने पहन लिया. ईयररिंग्स, नेकलेस. पीछे तो मैंने ये बांधा हुआ है. इट्स वेरी लॉन्ग. एंड दीज आई डोंट इवन. ओह, मैंने एक मेला से खरीदा था बहुत पहले. पैंट्स, शूज़ फ्रॉम फैंसी बाज़ार अगेन. ये क्यूट. आज मैं फॉर्मल बन के जा रही हूँ. थोड़ा सा, पूरा फॉर्मल नहीं है क्योंकि आई कांट लेट गो ऑफ माई ज्वेलरी. बट after work, me and Zihan, my friend slash colleague slash research scholar, went to the library. बोलने वाली थी. Went to the mall to get a gift for someone. We were just loitering around the mall looking at pretty things and being sad about not having money to buy them. And then we went to the arcade and felt sad again because we have lost our childhood. Sorry for ending yesterday's vlog with a huge sigh. So this is the next day and we are going to Nagaon, which is like 3 hours away from Guwahati because we have to attend the Lagoon View.
হৈছে নেকি
অঁ
মই তোমাক পিছত দিবা
কি কি ভইচ দিব আকৌ মই কথা কৈ থাকিম নেকি তাতে
এনেকেই হ'ব আৰু যি এইটো কৰি আছোঁ মই।
Random দিয়ে মানে সেইটোৱে ভাল লাগে।
আমি ইয়াতে ৰৈ আছোঁ একচুৱেলি, উই ৱেইটিং ফৰ আৱাৰ ড্ৰাইভাৰ টু কাম বেক ফ্ৰম হিজ ব্ৰেকফাষ্ট এণ্ড বহুত চিনিক বিউটিৰ আগত আমি ৰৈ দিছোঁ।
স্কুলৰ ভিতৰত
দেখিছোঁ মোৰ চবতছে ভাল লাগিছে।
He brought us something.
We stopped at this chai ki tapri for some chai. इतना अच्छा लगा था यार. It was so peaceful. I just wanted to sit there for a very long time but couldn't. We reached there and एकदम शादी जैसा माहौल.
এনেকৈ তই ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিব পাৰ। এনেকৈ ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিব পাৰ।
This weather right here while on a road trip is the best thing ever.
ঠিকেইতো আছে। ঠিকেইতো আছে।
ফটোশ্বুট
বনাই মানে
এই আছে বৰ ধুনীয়াকৈ হৈছে উপায় নাপা।
হাফ পেণ্টৰ ফটোশ্বুট।
Me and Zihan failing miserably to create a Bollywood moment.
উপায় নাপা এই স্কাইটোৰ লগত বৰষুণ তুলিব পাৰিবা পিছফালৰ পৰা তুলিব নাজানি।
So I'm back home from a 3-hour drive to Nagaon, which is a district in Assam. So we went there, me and my fellow research scholar plus 2 of our juniors. We went there because हमें एक लोगुन डियोनी अटेंड करना था. तो लोगुन डियोनी बेसिकली क्या होता है, वो थ्रेड सेरेमनी जो होता है ना कुछ लोगों का, तो वो थ्रेड सेरेमनी एसमीज में उसको लोगुन डियोनी बोलते हैं. तो हम लोग उसके लिए गए थे एंड this is what I'm going to show you in a bit. I did not get time to shoot the entire outfit before leaving the house today because थोड़ा मैं अंडर एस्टिमेट कर दिया था मैंने अपने दोस्तों का टाइमिंग. मुझे लगा वो लोग लेट हो जाएंगे तो मैं धीरे कर रही थी बट वो पहुंच गए थे तो इसलिए. तो आई शो यू टू इट नाउ एंड दिस आउटफिट मैं अपनी मम्मी के साड़ी को काट के ये बनाया है आउटफिट. तो दिस इज़ द ऊपर का. ये तो ऐसे ही मैंने पेयर किया है. इट डजंट कम विद द सेट एंड नीचे का इज दिस. I am super tired but I have office tomorrow and yesterday सर ने बोल दिया था कि संडे को पूरा काम करना है, मुझे देखना है सुबह को तुम लोगों ने मंडे को कि तुम लोगों ने क्या क्या किया. तो I think I'll have to work now, which is so scary because I don't know how to work right now. I am so exhausted. But is this how adulting is supposed to feel? Because I just do not like it. I unsubscribe to adulting. Is that possible? Because I just want to lie down and go to sleep, right? It was such a relief to know that sir wanted us to go to Thas again to look at newspapers and gather some more information. Not to be dramatic, but decorating your space is self-care. It's like giving your brain a hug. You know? I did feel sad taking down my previous decor, but it's okay. Everything needs a little change sometimes. ऑटो में आउटफिट दिखा दिया like all those desi girlies on Instagram. So fun. फिर से मैं रेडी होने वाली हूँ कैमरा के सामने। आप लोग सोचते होंगे कि where does this girl go every day getting ready like that? बट हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ होता है। आज इनफैक्ट इज़ अ स्पेशल ओकेजन, इज़ माई बहुत ही ज़्यादा खास फ्रेंड का बर्थडे, सो वी आर गोइंग टू सरप्राइज हर, मी एंड माई अदर खास फ्रेंड, वी आर गोइंग टू सरप्राइज हर. She's probably still sleeping and will be sleeping by the time we reach there because it's not even 11 right now. तो बट हम सुबह जा रहे हैं क्योंकि इवनिंग को there might be some issue with traveling and stuff. तो yeah. Wow. So today is the last day of me filming my week in my life vlog. So this is the last day of the week for me, and wow, it was tiring to film a whole week. I mean, obviously I did not record everything that happened. That is usually what I'm supposed to do, but मुझे तो बार में आ रहता है कि ओ वेट, मुझे तो व्लॉग करना था, तो मेरा आधा अधूरा व्लॉग होता है. बट ठीक है कि किसको ही देखना होगा मेरा पूरा लाइफ में मैं क्या कर रही हूँ एवरी मोमेंट. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर सबको ये सब नहीं देखना है. तो जिसका आज बर्थडे है, वी हैव बिन फ्रेंड्स फॉर मोर देन 15 years. मतलब स्कूल में फ़र्स्ट कदम रखने के बाद से आज तक हम लोग दोस्त हैं. बहुत कुछ चल रहा है लाइफ में. देयर सो मच गोइंग ऑन. ऑफिस, देन आई हैव माई एग्ज़ाम्स, PhD कोर्स वर्क के फाइनल एग्ज़ाम्स है 19th से, वो भी. एंड वी डिडंट इवन नो कि एग्ज़ाम इतनी जल्दी होने वाला है. वी थॉट कि जून में होने वाला है, बट दे जस्ट सरप्राइज्ड अस आउट ऑफ नोवेयर, एंड नाउ वी हैव टू स्टडी. आई हेट स्टडिंग. आई एब्सोल्युटली हेट, डिटेस्ट स्टडिंग, एंड आई डिड नॉट थिंक कि मुझे पढ़ना पड़ेगा फिर से PhD में आके एग्ज़ाम. मतलब PhD में तो पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा, बट लाइक एग्ज़ाम ओरिएंटेड पढ़ना पड़ेगा. दैट इज़ सो रिडिकुलस. मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी एंड असम म्यूज़ियम का कुछ कोलैबोरेशन होने वाला है, एंड उस पर मुझे काम करना था. आई फाउंड इट सो इंटरेस्टिंग, बट मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल द अदर कमिटमेंट्स आई हैव, एंड नाउ हैव एन एग्ज़ाम of 10 days. It's so sad ना, like जो हमें एक्चुअली में करना होता है वो हम कभी कर नहीं पाते हैं. and just like there's just like obligations that you're supposed to fulfill, like giving an exam. Yeah, I'm gonna rant about exams forever because I hate them. I absolutely hate them. My new tip is pretty na. It's not a bed sheet, okay? My mom says it looks like a bed sheet, but it's not. Okay, I'm done with the makeup. That's it, as usual. Same old. I'll show you the outfit. This is the outfit. Accessories are simple because it's 11 AM in the morning. Beauty. We are here and now we are going to annoy me and wake her up from sleep. Happy birthday. Left her house full and happy. Ending the vlog with some tea with my mother, pun intended. If you watched till here, you officially survived all the ups and downs of my week. I'm so proud of you. Go drink some water, and that's it. Bye.